Ayun, very good. Lumabas. Lumabas sa baby. That's very good. Good job, Bettina. Lumabas yung isa. Lumabas po yung isang baby. Ayan siya. Kay Bettina. Lapit natin. Lapit natin kay Bettina. Go, Bettina. Go, Bettina. Ayan na. Lumabas na yung isa. Very good. Very good, Bettina. There. May lumabas na isa.
Isa pa lang.
Isa pa lang.
Isa lang yung lumabas.
Isa pa lang.
Kaya kanina nag-deliver na siya.
Good job, Bettina. Alright. Grabe. Firstborn ni Bettina finally came out. At nagdododo na siya. Tingnan niyo. Ayun, hanap. Ayun, nagdododo na siya. Good job, Bettina. Go. Go, Bettina. Ayun, lumalabas. Ayun. Good job, Bettina. Go, Bettina. Go, Bettina. Go. Congratulations, Bettina. You did a great job. Ang galing mo, Bettina. I'm so proud of you, Bettina. My goodness. Oh, good job. Go, Bettina. Go, go, go. That's the second baby. Good job, Bettina. Woo! Congratulations. Amazing. Dalawa na sila, oh. So that's two, Bettina. Good job. Alright. Hello, baby. That's the first one. Ito yung una. Ito yung pangalawa. Mas malaki itong pangalawa. Good job. Good job, good job. The third one came out again. Congratulations, Bettina. Great job. Tulungan natin si Bettina. Galing mo, Bettina. Ayun. So proud of you, Bettina. Ayun. Good job. Diba? Pure black to. That's the second baby. Third baby na coming out. Good job, Bettina. Firstborn po ni Bettina finally came out. Ayun. 6:30 p.m. Go, Bettina. Third baby. Doon na sila. Apat na po. Lumabas na po yung pang-apat.
Pinapesto niya rin, no?
Oh, pang-apat na po siya. Grabe. Grabe. Eh, pang-apat na, oh. Tanggalin natin. Kunin, flashlightan mo nga. Ayan, pang-apat na po siya. Ayan. Pang-apat na. Let's make photo. Ayan. Ayan, ayan. Ay, pang-apat. Good job, Bettina. Fourth baby. Ay, salamat. Thank you, Lord. At may pang-apat na baby si Bettina.